Imagine placing a bet worth billions, only to see it crumble. That's the reality for Hertz, the century-old rental car giant. Back in 2021, they made headlines when they announced plans to buy a whopping 100,000 Teslas. Their goal? To significantly expand their fleet of electric vehicles. And for a moment, it seemed like a brilliant move. The stock price soared by 40% in just 2 weeks. But fast forward 2.5 years, and we're looking at a very different picture. Instead of cruising on the highway to success, Hertz is selling off many of those EVs at perilously low prices. Their stock? It's trading at a mere 20% of its 2021 high. This is the kind of outcome that screams failed gamble. And the fallout? CEO Stephen Scherr is stepping down from his role. It's a sobering reminder that not all that glitters is gold, especially in the high-stakes world of electric vehicles. The fallout of this failed bet doesn't end with the CEO's resignation. Enter stage right, former Cruise executive Gil West, the new helmsman of Hertz. West himself hails from another high-profile automotive investment that hasn't exactly hit the jackpot. Cruise, once a shining beacon in the driverless car arena, saw its program halted and nearly 1,000 of its autonomous vehicles recalled. Now, West faces a daunting task at Hertz. The company is caught in a balancing act, trying to meet the existing demand for gas-powered rental cars, while also planning for a future where electric vehicles will become increasingly prominent. Adding to the complexity, Hertz is set to sell off 20,000 of its fleet of EVs, a move driven by low demand from renters and high repair costs from suppliers. The timing couldn't be more painful. Hertz invested heavily in Tesla inventory when Tesla's prices were near their peak, only to decide to sell at a time when Tesla has undercut the resale value of its past cars by slashing prices on its newest offerings. The task ahead for new CEO Gil West is daunting, as he must guide Hertz out of this self-created hole and back to a sustainable business model.